So here we have a 13 amp two-way block. You see them around. This particular one is unfused. The unfused versions only have 2 sockets on them. The 3 socket versions are fused. Now, whilst it's still okay for these to be used, I would always recommend for them to be swapped out for a fused version because they can be easily overloaded. But another thing to see there, I don't know if you can just see that, it's got a crack right down the middle and it's got a crack on the top. Whether that's become brittle or something in there's had a yank or a pull and it's snapped or broken the plastic, so that is a fail, but it's just a good thing to show you as well about the unfused versions. They're still sold, the 2 socket ones without a fuse, so I would always recommend for these to be swapped out for a fused version. If you plugged in 2 electric heaters into there, put in 3 kilowatt each or 2.5 kilowatt each, you're going to quickly overload that socket.